Oh, hello there. Didn't mean to startle you. I'm sure you didn't expect to hear a voice because, well, I haven't formally introduced myself in prior videos, which you should check out if you haven't already. You can call me Boring, and welcome to the Extremely Boring channel. Here, I plan to take you through all things I find absolutely exciting, which my friends think are absolute snoozers. So if you're like me, someone excited by mundanity, then you're in the right place. So I took a trip out to the New York Botanical Garden in the Bronx, one of my all-time favorite places for an escape from the busyness of the city. It was supposed to rain, so I thought it would be perfect. Empty, just me and the orchids. Instead, of course, the weather was great, sunny, not a cloud in the sky, and naturally everyone and their auntie was there. Despite the crowd, there was still a sense of serenity. Everyone was kind and patient as we waited to take pictures of orchids. And disclaimer, not all of the plants in this video are orchids. And funny enough, there was actually a poster explaining how to spot an orchid at the beginning of the exhibit. So I'm here at what's called the Orchid Show, Jeff Leatham's Kaleidoscope, and I'm just in awe at the vibrant colors, the patterns, shapes, sizes of all the flowers. And by the way, not all orchids look like the ones at Trader Joe's. My ticket cost $30, which I think was well worth it, if you're into this, of course. I invited family and friends to tag along, and they were like, ain't nobody paying to see grass. Oh, they're orchids? Like flowers, you mean? So I can Google a picture? Yo, the jokes kept rolling in. So anyway, the show ends on May 1st. So come check it out. There are night viewings and orchid care classes in between. It took me about 1.5 hours to go through the entire exhibit. You can really get carried away trying to take pictures of every detail on every plant or flower. So if you plan on coming, be sure to dress comfortably. So let me know if you've gone to the Orchid Show before, or if you plan on going, or if there's any other exhibit at the Botanical Gardens you think I should check out. I've been to the Chihuly exhibition some years back, as well as the pungent, gigantic corpse flower, which blooms about once every 4 to 5 years. I'll try to resurrect some pictures of those adventures for you guys, so stay tuned. In the meantime, let me know in the comments below if you've been to any of the city or state botanical gardens to experience any of the exhibitions, and be sure to check out the next video of my visit to the desert section of the garden. So comment, like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.